Welcome to our video on how to create a successful digital marketing campaign. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and best practices for planning and executing a digital marketing campaign that delivers results. Step 1. Identify your goals. What do you want to achieve with your campaign? Is it to increase website traffic, generate more leads, or boost sales? Defining your goals will help you determine the metrics you need to track and measure the success of your campaign. Step 2. Define your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your campaign? What are their needs, interests, and pain points? By understanding your audience, you can create targeted messaging and content that resonates with them. Step 3. Select your channels. Which digital channels will you use to reach your target audience? Will you focus on social media, email marketing, or search engine advertising? Step 4. Measure your success. Use the metrics you defined earlier to track the performance of your campaign. Use this data to optimize your campaign and improve your results. Creating a successful digital marketing campaign takes time, effort, and strategic planning. By following these 4 steps, you'll be on your way to creating campaigns that deliver real results for your business.